Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can export your Gantt charts or boards in your projects on GanttPro in 2026, for example, as a PDF on your device. So let us dive into this. So navigate to your project on GanttPro and select one of these views. So guys, you will find that export button in the top right corner. And for example, let me export the Gantt chart or the board. We can go with the Gantt chart for demonstration purposes and click into that button here. And after that, you will be redirected to this menu on the right hand side. So you may select a format like PDF, but you can go also with Excel or PNG on that one. Select the paper size, the display settings, choose a baseline, the strike through grayed out, and overview tasks, and so on and so forth. Confirm by clicking into export, and that's it. Then there you go. Your Gantt chart will be exported in a PDF file format. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.